Hello, hello, good morning. It rained last night, so most of the plants are droopy, and it was really hard rain last night. I just wanted to show that my red and white roses are blooming, so I can't wait to see fully bloomed rose. Although when you look at it near, close up, there are lots of holes. I don't know how to keep spraying so that the leaves will be, the holes in the leaves and the flowers will be prevented. And also my yellow rose, the true bloom. I don't know why it is growing this way. It's so short. And also happy to show that my true passion, true bloom rose, is blooming. So it has lots of buds also, and it's the first rose that is opening. So I bought this last year on clearance together with the knockout rose, and I bought it summer, and the week or 2 weeks after that we went to Hawaii, and it was so hot. It uh, it withered. I thought it was going to die, but it survived in the pot, and I was able to transfer it last September, I think, here when we started this front garden bed. Just that. And yarrow, and my hydrangea. So the coreopsis, which looked really good last night or yesterday, is now droopy. Anyway, as well as the rest of the garden. But it's a good thing, at least I don't have to water today, since they received a lot of water last night. I'm just so happy with my coneflower, red coneflowers. It's really red. I really wanted the red colored coneflower. And the balloon flowers, I'm so happy also. And my geraniums. And dami ng buds. And one is starting to open. There. And nahulog na naman tong aking mga hydrangea. Nano na naman niya ang balloon flower ko. This is the balloon flower. Oops. Fully opened. And the hydrangea. Ganda. This was a good buy. Flowers. And they're purple. Okay. Very nice. I have to fix my hydrangea so it would not smother the balloon flowers. Dami pa naman yung buds. See? Okay. Bye for now. Also, I just wanted to show my roses. They're bicolor. So I thought it was just gonna be yellow because the buds were yellow. But now the pink color is coming out. So I'll take another video or picture when it is fully bloomed. So far, only 3 buds or 3 roses and no new buds. But I'm happy. Happy with it. Okay. And our oriental lilies have started to open. Look at that. It's so big. Really, really big. My hand. Is it as big as my hand? It's bigger than my hand. from what I see, but from the video it looks the same. There, it smells so good. And the pink one will also open maybe today. They smell good. There. Very nice and very tall. So I think this will have a flower soon. Flower stalk. It's getting out of the fence. Okay, just so happy with it too. My hosta. Okay, that one also will have a flower stalk soon. Happy they're growing. New leaf. There. I think this space needs one more here. Daming butas. How can I prevent the butas? The holes in my roses. I guess I have to spray more regularly. But I keep on spraying too. And I really don't want to spray a lot. So I need one more here. One more hosta or a plant here. Shade plant. Okay. Just another video on our roses. So it's just small. But it's okay. Maybe it will get bigger next time. So pink. This one is only yellow. Flowers are not really big. But it's okay. Colors are good. And the coneflower starting to bloom. And my oriental lilies. They smell so good. So this started, this one opening. Ganda. Bango. Oriental lilies are so big. Really big. The white is bigger than this pink. And oh, dalawa yung flower stalk. 2 flower stalks for our hosta. The blue halcyon. This one is Big Daddy growing, and this one I'm so happy with this. But I forgot the name. I will look for it. There is its flower stalk. And then this one, nababurn siya. It's getting burned. It's getting burned by the sun. But it will survive. Cut mint. Small, really smaller. And my dahlia. And this one tumataas. Have to put it down. And my begonias, really small. Oh, what is that? Oh, there's a mushroom. Mushroom grew beside our hosta. I'll get that out later. And this truck. Whatever I do, it always turns around. Oops. Okay. And So cornflowers, really very nice. There's so many flowers there. And another Asiatic lily. We missed out on this last year because it was always being eaten by, I don't know, the chipmunks or whoever. But right now it's able to bloom there. And one more bud. And these ones are the tiger lilies. Tiger lilies. And the dahlias. Very nice. Although they're supposed to be light purple, but it's okay. Still very pretty. And I think may butas na naman. There's a hole here. Or someone's trying to dig again. Always. Here. Daylily, ganda. And this one is the orange. So we have yellow, red, and orange. The yellow ones are done blooming, and it's our orange ones turn to bloom. Okay. And this rose, I don't know what's happening. Here, may sakit to. And then I'll remove this plant. It's done blooming so that my dahlia can grow properly. And it rained, that's why it's so wet. You know, there's another hole here. Hole. And another cornflower. So I have 4 from the pot that I bought from clearance last year. And there small buds, just 2 for this big hydrangea. Maybe next year again. And a rose. Oh, may Japanese beetle. Have to take that out. Kinakain yung there, Japanese beetle. Carlimeta. This one is I forgot the name again. The one with the moms, and the other I will search. Ito, ang ganda na siya. Another Euchera. Forever Red, Silver Gumdrop. And lavender. Oh, daming bees. Lots of bees. And then look at our hydrangea. So nice, so happy. It's the first time, or since we last bought it, that it has bloomed this big. But the other one sadly has no blooms. Next year probably. I put some more fertilizer. I put fertilizer here. And our alliums. Nice. It has bloomed. And our coreopsis. There. I have to look for... It's getting burned also by the sun, but it's alright. But I have to look for Japanese beetles. Ako, they're at it na pala. Kaya siguro I have so many leaves that are eaten. Pero so far, this is the true passion. True passion, true bloom. Very nice. And this one starting to bloom. Ito, this is the true friendship. Ako, look at our hosta. It's really burned. And this one is the red and white flower rose from Costco. I have to get that. And then coneflower also, another hydrangea, and our balloon flowers. I love those balloon flowers. And another hydrangea. Buti ito hindi siya nababurn. Yung iba nababurn sobra. Anyway, I have to go and get that Japanese beetle. Oo, nababurn yung clematis namin. It's getting burned by the sun. Our sunflower is growing. So happy. I think there'll be a big flower. Okay. Bango. Oh, I forgot to. I have gladiolus already blooming, but I have to get that Japanese beetle. Okay. And we have gladiolus blooming here. So there, it has started to open our gladiolus. The peach one I planted here has gone up, but I don't see it now. Anyway, this one's there. Nice. Okay. Meta. Pangit na tulon yung rose ko. Anyway, it's on its way out. Waiting for new blooms. There are the Japanese beetles. Okay. Look at this. It's the first time I've seen a seed of what do you call this? Siberian. I forgot. Usually because I take it out, but this one I didn't see it, so it was left, and it's so big. Look at that. It's like a fruit or a vegetable. This one, it's leaning forward, and my poor euchera is already covered there. I have to clean this next time. Okay. I also want to show my hostas here were able to survive, so I need to keep on spraying anti-deer, anti-rabbit. Some have been eaten, but the rest I was able to spray before they could be eaten. So nice. Okay. And red daylilies here, cluster. So I just wanted to share it. And our white hibiscus getting ready to bloom. So we'll have lots of buds here. And also, again, I'm passing through here. I wanted to show the gladiolus that's starting to bloom. Here. There have buds. And 5 buds. And there also. And this one. Okay. So those were they just continued to grow, because last year I think they also bloomed, but before, my husband tried to transfer all of them on the other side of the garden, but they persisted and they grew, so they're but they're smothering our hellebore. So but it's hard to transfer the hellebore because I might dig up the bulbs. I'll think about it when fall comes. Okay. I just want to document what my new orchid looks like. So we bought this yesterday. Me and my sister-in-law yesterday from Aldi. It was on clearance for $4.99. So I really like the pattern. So there.